What if your home away from home wasn't a compromise, but a revolution on wheels, where the open road didn't just offer escape, but a glimpse into the future of mobile living? Enter the 2026 Toyota Venus CamperVan in a deep forest green that practically dares you to disappear into the wild. This isn't just a van. It's Toyota's boldest step yet into the world of intelligent, self-sufficient travel, wrapped in sleek design, intuitive tech, and pure function-first philosophy. Welcome back to the channel where passion meets purpose, where the road is a way of life and machines are more than metal. Today, we're taking you inside the 2026 Toyota Venus, possibly the smartest, greenest, and most approachable camper van ever produced by a mainstream automaker. From the moment you approach the Venus, you realize this is not your average conversion van. It sits low, smooth, and sculpted, not like a utility box, but like something penned by a team that also designs electric coupes. The forest green paint shimmers with depth, a nod to the eco-conscious soul beneath its skin. Aerodynamic paneling, hidden solar integration, and flush-mounted lighting tell you this isn't built to look rugged. It's built to work beautifully. At its core is Toyota's latest e-drive platform, shared with their electric SUV lineup, but tuned for long-haul comfort and off-grid efficiency. Powered by dual electric motors and a 98 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the Venus delivers a confident 300-mile range on a single charge, and up to 400 with the optional roof-mounted solar expansion pack. Fast charging is on board, but the Ray-All win is the energy management system. It prioritizes cabin power, heating, and cooking functions without compromising drivability. This van doesn't just run on electrons. It manages them like a smart home. Inside is where the Venus truly earns its name. It's not a cabin, it's a sanctuary. Natural bamboo surfaces, eco-fabric upholstery, and adaptive ambient lighting transform the interior into a space that's both calming and connected. The bed platform folds effortlessly into a plush lounge setup, with sliding privacy panels and a full glass roof that opens up to the night sky. A pop-top is available for those who need sleeping space for four. The kitchen is minimal but effective, a dual-burner induction cooktop, filtered water system, and a whisper-quiet refrigerator tucked beneath a walnut countertop. An integrated 12.9-inch touchscreen handles navigation, climate, power levels, and smart appliance controls. Toyota's AI assistant learns your preferences over time, temperature, lighting, even music choices, so your space always feels just right. Functionality hasn't been sacrificed for style. Clever storage is everywhere. Underfloor lockers, overhead bins, even retractable compartments within the door panels. The rear garage space is modular and heated, perfect for bikes, skis, or camera gear. And yes, the Venus includes an optional wet bath module, complete with water-efficient shower and composting toilet for full off-grid independence. But perhaps the most surprising part? How easy it is to drive. The Venus rides like a premium crossover, smooth, responsive, quiet. It's outfitted with Toyota's latest Pro Pilot safety suite, including adaptive cruise, lane centering, and automated parking. Whether you're weaving through tight city streets or navigating high-altitude switchbacks, it feels sure-footed, nimble, and confidence-inspiring. In a world where van life is often rough edges and DIY compromises, the 2026 Toyota Venus offers something new: refinement, thoughtfulness, and a vision that says you can live sustainably without sacrificing comfort, capability, or design. This isn't just a camper van. It's a mobile ecosystem. It's for the modern explorer, the digital nomad, the couple chasing sunsets across continents, or the solo traveler rewriting what it means to feel home. If this kind of future-facing freedom speaks to you, hit that like button to keep the journey going. Subscribe for more in-depth looks at the most compelling vehicles in the adventure world, and share this with someone who's ready to trade their mortgage for mileage. Drop your thoughts below. Does the Toyota Venus redefine what you thought a camper van could be? And if you had the keys for a week, where would your first stop be? Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and never stop chasing what moves you.